Don't let your caulk go to waste. Here's a quick tip on how to keep your caulk in its cupboard. To prevent your caulking from drying out and going to waste, there are a lot of solutions on the market, but what I found the best way to prevent your caulking from drying out and going to waste is to just take a piece of aluminum tape, just get a little bit of caulking to come out the end, back off the pressure. Now just spread it around sort of the mouth of that tip. And you want an uninterrupted, very thin layer. Then we're going to take our aluminum and wrap it around the end, overhanging, because we're going to come back on that. Wrap it around as tight as you can. Make sure that you're not getting any air gaps in the base here. And once you bring that all around, tighten it down. Make sure there are no air channels. Then just take the end, twist it, and fold. And that should keep it good for quite a long time. I hope that was helpful. Share your experiences in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching.